Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the market analysis for 22nd December. So if we start on the weekly, you can see that price is very bullish. It has now become a medium probability engulfing candlestick since it has traded above the previous week's open. You can see there's still this imbalance to be filled to the upside. If we look at the daily, what you can see is there is this daily imbalance here, which is yet to be filled. However, price broke structure to the upside, so at this point we're expecting a retracement lower so that we can take the longs up to 24.7. On the 4-hour, we can see that price shot up, traded above this area. So this is a new structure point, so what we're expecting is a deeper retracement. If we go on the hourly, you can see that price traded up, came down, had a slight rejection, but is still not really going anywhere. If we look at the 15 minutes, here you can see it even clearer. Price traded up, came down, reached this level, shot up, but then has been consolidating in this area over here. And as with consolidations, we know that price may whipsaw both sides to take orders from the top and the bottom. So I'd say the best bet would be to wait for price to trade below the previous day's low, which is here, so that I can enter along. But if price gives me a signal before that, I'd happily oblige. So let's look at today's Asian range. It's more of a consolidating one, and right now it's trading higher. So what I expect is price to trade higher, to take orders from the top, and then now to calm down and clear all these equal lows before trading higher. So that's what I'll be waiting for. Here's the midpoint of that Asian range. Since price hasn't moved as much, we still have the same bias as yesterday. On gold, if we start on the weekly, we'll see that price came to this 1785 level and shot up. There's a medium probability engulfing candlestick since it hasn't traded above the previous week's high, but still we're seeing a lot of bullish momentum. On the daily, we can see that price is still in this bullish structure, came retraced and is now trying to trade above here. On the 4-hour, we can see that price had a large expansion, left this imbalance, and then yesterday it came and filled about halfway to this imbalance, traded up to the previous high and rejected, and is now also in a consolidation state. On the hourly, we can see the consolidation much clearer here. See, it has had touches here, 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 and here. It's trading within this range. And something about consolidations, they are not often followed by retracements. But I still expect price to take out orders before going to the upside. On the 15 minute, let's check. Yesterday, there was a setup and it was taken out at break even. I'd taken along here. Price pushed up, but then took me out here at break even. But if we notice, now the new 15-minute structure points are here, here, and here. Okay, let's mark out our Asian range. There. And the midpoint, there is none. So, with gold, may say it expanded up and this was the retracement at midnight. before price continued going in the expected direction. The best area to buy would be below here. Wait for price to travel, take out all these lows here so that you can get adequate volume to have a big move up. If not, I'll just wait for price to push up, trade above the yesterday's high, come back, retest the top of the Asian range, and then we continue our buys to 1850. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to follow the chats with me. Peace.